as Prabhupada said, it's unimaginable. So this verse he quotes from Ujjwal Nilamani is Vallabha Prapti Velayam Madanavesha Sambramat Libram Hara Malyadi Bhushastana Viparyaya. So in translation, he is there in English. This Madanavesh, they were in Madanakya Mahabhav, Avesh. They had entered deeply into the highest levels and highest depths, or let's say highest levels of Mahabhav. Because this Vibram, to be totally bewildered in love, doesn't happen in ordinary expressions of love or ordinary loving attachments between men and wives. But this is the reserved area of the Braja Gopis, Mahabhav. So Madan Avesh, Sambramat. The actual verse is Sambramat. They were Sambramat, completely, absolutely bewildered. They didn't know which way they were going. Somehow, only the prem in their hearts, the Mahabhav in the hearts of the gopis was directing them and doing all the navigational decisions on the way running from their house to meet Krishna at the Rasastali.